When we say Bhagavad Gita, there is nothing like India or Africa or America. There is nothing like human beings or donkeys or pigs or lizard or anything. It is only the Sat and Asat. And it is only, we are here, in a body because of our karma, past life karma. We got bandi in this body, and then if at all we follow the principle of karma, karma, we get liberated. That means if we do some, things detached, then if at all we follow dharma, we get uttama gatis, better body, better life, better material desires. So for these principles, these are not concerned with the time or country or religion or race. This is beyond everything. It is for every living species. But we cannot teach this to other species because they are not Buddhist species. They are just like they just live with the body. So this is for all human beings, and it is utter disaster and failure of restricting this to only India. Somehow this was there, I believe 4,000 years back, all over the world, we call pagan religions or whatever it is. So all over the world before 4,000 years. But for some reason, maybe for the good being silent or for the good people being content, the adharmic religion or Avedic religions, or I can say evil theories. I don't say evil religions, evil theories. Some damn insane primitive theories got cooked up, and they started marketing in a big way. So somehow things got messed up. Now coming to the global peace, now we have seen, if you take any WhatsApp of any Hindu or any Muslim or any Christians, you take any Hindu cell phone, every day we are getting hundreds and hundreds of messages that we are right. See the kind of genocide that they have done in Kashmir. And if you happen to open the cell phone of a Muslim, they will have tons and tons of information that we are idiots. You open the WhatsApp, of any Christian, they will have messages that whatever they are doing, whatever they are following is absolutely right, and all others are wrong. And everybody is believing with conviction that they are right, others are wrong. So somehow, because of lack of dialogue between two people on what is Sat and what is Asat, like how Adi Shankaracharya did, that was lacking, all these 1,000, 2,000 years, which has brought us at this situation. So when there is so much venom, even now going on in this country or any other country, as a matter of fact, what is the ultimate solution, sustainable solution? One way, we can pick up idiots in whatever religion they are, and then we can curb them, or we can kill them, or we can punish them if they're doing bad. The highest restrictions from the government, we can get peace, but that peace is not sustainable. See, you cannot have venom, inside the hearts of people with the law and order, with the acts, with the kind of rules we have basing on our constitution. We cannot make people love each other. So at some point, down the line, they will get erupted like volcanoes. What happened in Kashmir? So it should be cleaned, within the hearts of people. So somehow or other, we have to address this at the core root level. And unless or otherwise these people understand that other person and me are same, we are of same form living in two bodies, and all these beliefs or disbeliefs or whatever it is, theories will be based on our past life karma. And if at all we don't teach this, there cannot be peace. Peace may be there, but it is not sustainable peace. We may be acting as if peace is there. Now today the situation is such in this country or any other country. Two people of two, like people of two different religions cannot sit and talk. It is next to impossible. They cannot talk for half an hour. They cannot even have a kind of discussion on religion. The religion is made such a personal thing. We say religion is personal. It is not personal. It is completely public. We are just acting, having an a big elephant in the room, we are ignoring the elephant and we are just acting. Because of this acting since thousands of years, I don't know how many years, we started acting as if it's personal, while it is not personal. And then it has led to so much chaos. So I believe that peace, sustainable peace, is possible only with the knowledge of self, that we all are same in the base level, you know, in the base level, our needs, our thoughts, our desires, our wish. Everybody want to be happy. Having said this, we have to make them understand their real self. So otherwise, they may act as if there is peace, but there will not be peace.
Set forth in the Gita, and Gita being the sar of Vedas and Upanishads, it has been brought down to a very understandable level. So this knowledge of self. So how this knowledge of self can be gained is has been suggested in the Bhagwad Gita. So that is why Bhagwad Gita, in simpler terms.